Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common health problems we face yet still struggle with. Colds and flu. In this video, we will discuss some proven and effective natural remedies for common colds and flu that can help you to recover faster. So, let's not waste any more time and get started. 1. Drink plenty of water and fluids. The first natural remedy for common colds and flu is to drink plenty of fluids. Make sure to keep yourself hydrated during your illness. Water, tea, broth, and juices are all great options to increase your fluid intake during these times. 2. Salt water gargle. Gargling with salt water is a simple and effective way to soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Simply mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. Repeat several times a day as needed. 3. Use honey. Honey is a proven home remedy that's been used for centuries to treat sore throats and cold symptoms. You can add honey to tea or even eat it directly to ease your cough and soothe your throat. 4. Ginger tea. Another natural remedy that helps you to recover from colds and flu is ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation, soothe a sore throat, and relieve congestion. It also boosts the immune system and aids in digestion. 5. Steam inhalation. This can help relieve congestion and ease breathing. Boil water in a pot and add a few drops of essential oils such as eucalyptus or peppermint. Place a towel over your head and breathe in the steam for a few minutes. Be careful not to get too close to the hot water. 6. Echinacea. Echinacea is an herb that's also known for its immune system boosting properties. It can help prevent and treat common colds by reducing the symptoms and the duration of illness. You can take echinacea as a supplement or drink it as a tea. 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin that helps to boost the immune system and fight off infections. You can add more vitamin C-rich foods such as oranges, kiwi, and bell peppers to your diet or take supplements if needed. 8. Rest. Finally, one of the most important remedies that we often forget about is rest. It's crucial to get plenty of sleep and rest to give our body enough time to recover from the illness. Here's another tip for faster recovery. It is best to do these remedies at the first sign of illness in order to prevent it from getting worse and to recover fast. Continue using these natural treatments, and you'll undoubtedly recover quickly. Alright, that's all for today's video about natural remedies for colds and flu. We hope that these remedies have helped you gain some valuable information and that they'll be useful in case you find yourself under the weather anytime soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, and we'll see you next time.